Hello everyone, my name is Yang Mohan and my match number is 8207373. I'm the FTSM student. Today I want to share a topic, a short topic of the 4-day revolution, work less or chill more. Before I start, I want to think about the question. Is really possible to work less but get more things done? Today, let us discover how working fewer days can bring higher value to and better success to our teacher careers. Now, please look at the picture on the screen. This is a very common thing in teach industry today. A worker looking at the laptop screen, feeling completely tired, stressed, and full of digital fatigue. So we have to ask ourselves a basic question. Is the 40-hour work week obsolete now? Let's look at the history. The old 5-day 40-hour framework was designed exactly 100 years ago by Henry Ford for factory workers. It was made for physical labor, where people just stand by a machine. It was not made for modern creative, cognitive work like coding and system design. Today, as a future tech professionals, our main goal is to fight modern digital fatigue, protect our mental clarity, and keep a long-term focus in the high-pressure technology industry. On this side, I want to present our roadmap and the main goals. Our central thesis is very clear. Organization can maintain 100% output while securing crucial rest and recovery time for their workers. We do not have to lose money to get rest. To explain this clear, I will break my presentation into three simple steps. The first, we will look at the crisis, which is turbo modern burnouts in business today. Second, we will look at the solution. We will introduce a strategy productivity model. Third, we will look at the vision to see how we can build highly motivated and super efficient technique talents for the future. Let's look at the closer the step, the crisis. The crisis. The Mentor Talents Train study gave us two shocking data points. The 81% of the workers with the high burnout risk today. This is a massive number. The overwork created two hidden costs for companies. First cost is the presences. That means workers are physically sitting at the desks, but because of high fatigue, they stop doing true creative work late in the work week, like on the Tuesday or Friday. They are just a waste of time because their brain are tired. The second cause is attrition. According to a study from faculty FCM, constant stress directly cause high sick leave and make top engineering talents leave their jobs. So the 5-day week actually a hidden tap that lose money and business. So how we through this crisis, we use a famous strategy framework called the 100 to 80 to 100 model. This comes from the 4-day week global initiative. Let's explain how this three simple number works. The first 100 percent pay. The mean worker salary stay full intact. Workers do not lose a single dollar. Why? Because the financial security ensures long-term commitments, trust, and focus. The second, the 80% time, total working hours drop from the 40 hours to uh, 32 hours per week, give us a 4-day week. This guaranteed rest days fortieth repeat cognitive recovery for our brains. The third, the 100% output. Even the lifetime the worker must deliver 100% performance outcomes. We achieve this equivalent results by reducing meeting and using automation tools. You might ask me, Yang, how we deliver 100% the work in only 80% of the time? The answer is on the slide. We must change our focus. We must value focus over hours. We need to shed all workplace distraction and clear the connective path our team. How do we do this in real life? We use the two most. The first, we do the meeting audits. We stop having long, useless meeting. We move this signal to a signal channel, like simple email or text message. The second, we guard blocks of time for deep work. For example, we give software engineers 4 hours to interrupt times every day just to write code. With this most 3-day weekend become a peak recovery tools to recharge our intelligence for the next week. Does the model really work, or it's just a dream? Let's look at the real data and the facts. Our global pulse studies. Let's look at the number. Burnout reduction goes down by 64%, and worker turnover drops by 57%, and sick leaves decrease by 65%, and most importantly, companies see a 40% gain in total productivity. This data proves our points beautiful. Optimized output is real. Evidence shows that compressed structured actually increase focus and creativity. Rest might involve much better because real technical breakthroughs demand focus, energy, not total execution. As we look at the future uh, of our industry, I want to read a powerful quote to you. Work is something we do, not a place we spend a majority of our lives. To build the ultra efficient and highly motivated tech professional future, we need to change two things in our mindset. The first, we must put the outcome first. Company policy must reward a concrete value and real results instead of the rewarding spend six time or just looking busy at the desk. The second, we need to support local protein. We need more tech companies in Malaysia to start small or corporate channels so we can gather more evidence backed performance metrics. So to conclude, all the arguments and the ideas I shared today stand on very strong academic foundation. As you can see, the literature review table. We first source from the 4-day week global uh, research series proves 92% of corporate plus tester choose the system the program permanently because it's so successful. Our second source is from FTSM UKM from the Tech Work Behaviors lecture confirms that controlling cognitive load is the best way to praise engineering retention and keep top talents in our companies. The slides simply these documents and list original links in and image source for the high quality visual access analyze, as well as my presentation slides to support our speech to support our research layout. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening.